This is Chawton House in Hampshire, inherited by Jane Austen's older brother, Edward. Don't worry about the cobwebs, they're Halloween decoration. The house has passed through multiple hands over the centuries. Lucky Edward was adopted by the childless Monty Knight family. The manor retains its historic elegance, including creepy floors and wood-paneled hallways, but now houses museum exhibits. The principal collection is literary, with a focus on women writers. Here an exhibit of women travel writers, including Mary Wollstonecraft, Anne Radcliff, and others. Mary Shelley, it's not all women. There's Byron and Coleridge, others. Here, a portrait gallery offers some intrigue. John Opie painted this portrait of his sister in a very similar style to his portrait of Mary Wollstonecraft, while she was still pregnant with her daughter, Mary. Another curious portrait. Is this Mary Wollstonecraft? A display card asks. She appears clearly connected to writing or publishing. But for me, here is the real intrigue about who she is. This is Mary Wollstonecraft and her daughter, Mary Shelley. This is her stepsister, Claire Claremont, and the Mrs. Godwin of the portrait. So the real question is, which Mrs. Godwin is this? The first or the second? Something you can decide for yourself.